Today, I want to break down a creator's business and show you step by step how he's taking his clients for a journey. But before I do that, if you're wondering who is this guy in front of the camera, I'm Vlad. I've been photographing for more than 12 years. And I decided I don't want to spend my time chasing clients, photographing weddings and baptisms. I have the knowledge. I would like to sell the photography knowledge that I have for digital products, build communities, and high ticket offers. And today, I'm breaking down these businesses so that you can understand more easily how you can do the same for your business. So let's dive in. Gannon Meyer is a ManyChat strategist. He's having 120K followers on Instagram. Basically, what he's doing is he's a master at creating ManyChat automations and then segmenting audiences, sending them something for either free digital products, either newsletter invitations. He's basically awesome at his job. And so what happens is he is having in his bio this stamp store where if you click it, it will lead you to this page. Now, what happens here is exactly as it's shown here, it's basically the customer journey. So you enter, think of his business or think of a business exactly as a castle, where the castle is somewhere on the countryside or somewhere in the city. It doesn't even matter. But in order to see the castle on the outside, it's free. So that's his type of free. He's offering a free live ManyChat workshop, and he's also offering free ManyChat templates. These two are basically what you would see if you go around the castle. Now, if you want to get inside the castle, you basically would like to pay a ticket to be able to visit it. And so this is the point where we reached, where he's selling the 1 million ManyChat workshop for $39. So this is the entry point of his business. This is where you would pay a ticket to enter the castle. And so you enter the castle, you saw some things around, you saw how beautiful it is, and then you would like to see some more. Now, this is a journey that he is also taking his clients through. This is a product that it's basically you see something and then you decide to implement it. It's a product that you pay a low ticket, a low offer, a low value, it's $39, and then you grab it, you go through it, it's a tutorial, and you would implement it yourself in your business. That means it's a do-it-yourself product. Now, for people that want to pay more and have more info and at the same time have a product that it's done for you, as in you have some templates that they're already done and you just implement in your business, he's also selling a $149 ManyChat automation 4-pack that increases your business revenue with the ManyChat templates I use for myself and high-paying clients. So he's telling you from the start that he worked with high-paying clients, and these templates were sold to these people as well. And this is what he uses for his business. So you already have the trust that this is amazing, because regardless which one you decide to start with, you can either start having the $39 product first and then the $149, or you can just have the $149. Regardless, you have a product that you bought from him that you know that it's giving a lot of value. What would usually be the process would be to spend the lowest amount of money that you can with a business to demonstrate yourself that that business is helping your business, or the business itself is solving whatever you wanted to solve. So the normal process would be you have something from free from the person, then you went and paid this 39, and then you saw the value, and then you'll go and pay this 149 here. Now, if you reach the 149 and you bought it already, he already gained your trust. You already know that whatever he's doing an amazing job, and he knows how to do it. So you received a lot of value. You trust the creator or the person, so you might want more from that creator. I'm not sure right now if he's still running this, but before he was running Instagram Creator Academy, which was a cohort for 6 weeks that he was running, and he was giving people access to private community, lifetime access to recording, a lot of bonuses, a personalized one-to-one strategic call with him after the cohort, mini course, plug and play stuff for ManyChat templates and whatsoever. Now, this was priced as a one-time payment of $699. For people that already trust him very, very well and have the money to spend, he would also upsell them in this package or in this product. He would also upsell them to a $1,997 payment, which is the VIP package. And that means that he gives everything that you have in the starter pack, plus a weekly one-to-one 30-minute strategy call with him, and a monthly check-in call 3 months after the cohort ends, and some other stuff that are happening here. So if you think of it, you bought this $39 product, you went and bought maybe the $149 product as well. You have the Instagram Creator Academy, so you would spend $699, and then maybe you're not deciding to spend the $699 because you want to go for the more broader and more value that he's offering. So you would pay $1,997 with him. So he already grabbed one customer and paid to pay a lot more, rather than just this 1 million ManyChat workshop. And so what happens is the last level, or the last boss, or however you'd like to call it, when you entered the castle and you visited everything, you have the master bedroom. You have the bedroom where the king sleeps, and you have all the expensive shit hanging around with paintings, with statues, with gold stuff and whatever. And that's exactly what happens in his business as well. You reach the point where you think Gannon is such an amazing person and he's giving a lot of value and he has helped me along the way shitloads amount of time and it was fucking awesome. What do I need to do next? Well, you can book him for a day for ManyChat strategy setup. That will cost you $4,500. Note that this is creating scarcity here because it says sold out. So it means you can't always apply because he's always having free spots. No, you would need to eventually apply to work with me. So you go through the application, you submit the form, and at some point he will contact you and say, hey, yes, you're a good fit, I can help you. Then you can book me for a day as a ManyChat strategy setup. And so what happens is you basically take your customer through a journey. You start from somewhere with, in his case, a $39 product that you might pay for that because you received a lot of value through newsletter and email that was free. Or you might pay the $149. Or you know what? You just might buy both of them. And so for mid-tier, he was having, or he is still having, because as I said, I'm not sure if he's still running the Instagram Creator Academy, the $699 package, or the VIP one, where he's selling his package for $1,997. And from here, you have the high ticket, which is $4,500, one-to-one coaching or one-to-one strategy that happens. And so if you're a business owner and you're selling something and you're at this step here at the entry level, just think it's easy when someone swiped their cards and paid something on your store or bought something from you. It's easier to upsell them only if the product that they got solves their problem. It's not crap, it's not bullshit. And you gave them so much value that they would like to spend some more money with you. If you fail here at the entry level and you're giving them a product that they paid $39 and they realize after they grabbed it that this is crap, you can try and upsell them to mid-tier, high ticket whatsoever. Nothing will happen. Because they saw that they bought something from you and it was crap. So they wouldn't spend more money with you because you already demonstrated themselves that they shouldn't. So here you need to have a very, very strong product that is doing them very well. And from that point on, you can upsell them to a mid-tier product. And from there, you can upsell them to high. I hope this video helps. Cheers.